Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And now your device is in recovery mode, and here you can, for example, clear your data, or you can enter save mode. And if you want to simply leave this mode, you have to select restart option and your device will go back to its Android system. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.